What's one tiny, overlooked moment in history that you think changed the course of the world? 1. In 1931, Hitler was scrutinized for the death of his niece, Kelly, who he also had a weird, unhealthy fascination/obsession with. She was shot in the chest with his gun in his apartment. Many people thought he was responsible for her death, but charges never stuck and the whole thing was swept under the rug after a while. Imagine an alternative history where Hitler actually went to prison fairly early on. 2. If Obama hadn't roasted Trump at the White House Correspondents' Dinner, we'd likely never had a President Trump. 3. Anthony Weiner sending dick pics to those teenagers. It reopened the Hillary Clinton email case and now here we are. 4. The time a British sailor accidentally spilled his coffee on a radar screen during World War II. He noticed the spill created a better contrast for spotting German submarines, which led to them modifying their radar displays. Such a random accident actually helped the Allies spot U-boats more effectively. Wild how a coffee spill might have shortened the war.